welcome back to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson. This is my son Raylan, and today we're going to be doing another tasty recipe. This is going to be some cinnamon roll little bites. The only thing that I kind of adjusted in this recipe was I did make my own pie crust, and if you want to see how I made it, just watch the quick. To make pie crust, I started off with some butter and shortening that were frozen and blended those up. Added in my flour and pulsed it until it was like fine pea crumb things. Added in some cold ice water until it started to blend together. And it's kind of might take some trial and error. You just want it to kind of clump enough together that when you pinch it, it stays together, but it's not like hard as a rock like right here. And I just took it out. See, it's a little crumbly, but that's fine. Took it out and mushed it together and plopped it in a bag and then put it in the fridge to kind of rest until I needed it. So that's how I make my pie crust, super easy, and I never have to go run to the store if I don't have any. It's better, and it tastes better. You know, it's got your own personal elbow grease put into it. And it's just a super easy looking recipe. It only requires a handful of ingredients, which you might already have. And we are super pumped to make these, so if you guys are curious to see how these turn out, just keep watching and we will get testing. For these cinnamon roll cookie bites, I got started with my dough and Raylan helped me roll it out, but it was pretty hard because it was sitting in the fridge. Then I brushed it with some melted butter and I just tried to, like, I don't know, get it almost everywhere without getting the edges super wet. And then we just took our sweet little time putting sugar everywhere. I don't know why it wasn't like a combination of cinnamon and sugar, but I put the sugar down first, and then I very carefully put on the cinnamon, just kind of eyeballed it. And then I rolled it up, and they trimmed off the edges. I didn't think it was necessary, so I just rolled it up the best that I could. And then I kind of pinched the edges together. I know, isn't that cute? It's a little teeny weeny cinnamon roll.
It is?
Yeah.
We're gonna make cinnamon rolls.
These are cinnamon roll like bites. Do you want to put them out like that?
Sure.
And then my little buddy bear just kind of rolled them out. And what I did with the edges that were a little bit more thin because I didn't trim them is I just kind of filled them in, the extra bits, to make other cookie sizes, and then I just made my frosting to my consistency of our choosing. Alrighty, so these baked for about 20 minutes. The recipe said to do them for 10 to 15 minutes, so it took a little bit longer, and I kind of feel like they're still a little doughy. In the video recipe, they looked really crunchy. But we're gonna go ahead and let you guys know if these are love at first bite. You wanna grab one? Kind of wish that we would drizzle this. Mm. Oh. Here you go, babe. Mmm. These are really good. They are doughy. And so I don't know if the flavor would change if they were crispy or not. I don't know if that would just be a texture thing. It is a little bit more dough flavored in my opinion than it is cinnamon flavored, but it's still really tasty. I think next time I would probably either add a little bit of cinnamon to my pie dough or definitely probably roll it out a little bit thinner so maybe it wasn't so doughy. What would you rate these?
What does weight mean?
Oh. I would rate these probably like 9.5 out of 10. They're really good. We obviously love them. They were super simple, super easy to make. Yeah, that's it. So give us a thumbs up for some tasty recipes. Let me know if you guys have any requests in the bottom below. And don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye. These are good.